We just inaugurated a small exhibition of the products, and the startups have put up their ideas there and products there. So really educative for me, for especially a non-techie like me. So exceptional work that PhD CCI is doing for last 121 years. They're bringing, creating this platform to bring the government agencies and the industry together, which is the requirement of the day, from the rule makers to the people who are getting affected by those rules. And of course, third is, when I say government agency, not just the rule makers, the users also. Most of the users are government agencies like Air Force, Army, Navy, and in the defense, and a lot of civil, of course, ministries. And of course, these things will take us forward to that the dream day, that is, Viksit Bharat of 2047, or Atmanirbharta, the goal that we have set for ourselves. And the topic that has been chosen, obviously, it's a very apt topic. A lot has been spoken about what drones and what UAS systems, as well as counter UAS systems, have done. I'm talking from defense perspective in the recent wars, what has happened. And they are here to stay. There is no denying that fact. They are here to produce, results at low cost, and no denying that fact. Whether they are the only solution, I always reserve my comments on that, because I don't think we can take the man out of the loop as of now, not in the near future for sure. So it has to be a collaborative approach. But since we are discussing drones today, I think it is a very important topic. It is a very apt topic for this time to get our brains together, to get our thoughts together, and decide what is to be done in future. So I also believe, like everybody has said, that Indian industry has got a lot of potential. The R&D, as well as D&D, as well as production potential, as far as drones are concerned, because this technology is fast moving. The R&D times, and obviously the cost of R&D is not very high as compared to a manned platform or a big aircraft. And of course, you can design something small and then take it up to a size bigger with the kind of tools that we have. We don't have to really go through so much of iteration the way we used to go earlier. We used to physically test everything in the wind tunnel. Now a lot of things is done on CFD analysis and other tools that we have, and then for the final test you go to the wind tunnel. But those facilities are also growing in the country. Like Dr. Anya just brought out, the DRDO has all those facilities in various labs, and they have a portal where these facilities, availability of these facilities has been put up for all private users to make use of. Of course, there are two sides of every coin. When there are opportunities, there are already also challenges. No, I'll not call them problems or obstacles. I'll just call them challenges. And we in the government are aware of those challenges. And the first challenge, which Dr. Anya also brought out, was about problem statement. Chahte kya ho humse? So in this, as a user, if I can say, the Air Force, I think we are very clear in our mind that the problem statement has to originate from us. So we have, Department of DAD, the Directorate of Aerospace Design, which has been opened just for this, to interact with the industry, to interact with the startups, to interact with anybody who wants to know what is the requirement, what is the problem statement, what kind of drones, what kind of equipment, what kind of sensors that we are looking for. So it is our responsibility, and if we are failing in that, I would request all the industry to come back to me and say that, we've been waiting for this for so many weeks or so many months. Actually, it should not go to more than weeks, according to me, to give you what we want. And there are two ways of going about it. Other one is that you know what you have, and you give us that idea, and we can think of a use for that technology. This is the second way. That means you have been able to conceive an idea, do something. Maybe it was for some other use, not for defense use, but it has a defense potential to be used in war or war fighting or war support roles. We should be able to develop that idea further with you all. So that is something that we are committed to, and I think we will not shy away from that. I'm talking about people in defense forces and especially in Air Force. And one initiative that we have taken recently, I mean to say it's going to happen in near future, is a competition called Droneathon 2026, which is going to happen in September, where all people who have some product can display, can give us a demonstration live. We don't want to see things on presentations or on either PowerPoints or those video recorded systems. We want to see it live, discuss it out, and then take it forward from there. So all of you are most welcome to come in for that Droneathon 2026. Details can be obtained from so many people who are here. I see Air Force is well represented here, maybe because I was coming. I'm not sure. I'm sorry for you guys who had to stand, because so many chairs have been occupied by uniformed people from blue. But that is how it should be, I feel. When a subject is something that is affecting us, we should represent it in a good number. And I would have loved it if this group was sitting all around, so that you get to talk to others outside, people from outside. But before you people go, please make sure that you discuss issues, discuss your requirements, discuss whatever are your worries with the people in the industry, academia, mentors, incubators, whoever is here.